Welcome to our cleaning tutorial for the Z2 double electric breast pump. Keeping your pump clean is essential for its performance and longevity. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean the motor. Take your Zomee cleaning wipe and carefully clean the motor. If you're interested in on-the-go Zomee cleaning wipes, check out the link below. Make sure to reach all the crevices and remove any milk or residue debris. Step 2. Dry the motor. Once you've finished disinfecting, be sure to dry the motor completely. Regularly cleaning the motor helps prevent any milk or debris from entering the unit. And that's it! With these simple steps, you'll keep your Zomee breast pump in top shape. Happy pumping! Don't forget to check out the link for those convenient cleaning wipes.